ZANU-PF has suspended the distribution of the Presidential Economic Empowerment Revolving Fund with immediate effect, halting programs linked to self-styled presidential advisor Paul Tungwarara. Zabda mashikubdanyo kupangwa na chizi tagurei cause suspension of Paul Tungwarara empowerment program. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibna mnamubdanyo kwa mchenzi. In a letter dated January 23, 2026, ZANU-PF National Commissioner Munyarazi Machacha notified the provincial chairpersons of the decision, stating that the suspension takes effect immediately. It must be observed across all provinces. In quotes, the Commissariat Department wishes to announce the temporary suspension of the distribution of Presidential Economic Empowerment Revolving Fund. Henceforth, Machacha wrote. He added that fresh directives would soon be issued by the party Secretary General. The Secretary General, Corporate Advocate J.F.N. Mudenda, will soon issue new guidelines on the distribution, utilization, and management of the fund. The letter said, provincial structures were instructed to hold all related activities and await further communication from party headquarters. Provinces advised to comply with this party position pending further instruction, Machacha stressed. The Presidential Economic Empowerment Revolving Fund has been spearheaded by Paul Tungwarara, who has publicly presented himself advisor, who no reasons were provided in the letter for the sudden suspension. However, an insider source has claimed that controversial ZANU-PF businessman and Central Committee member KUTYA Tagure played a key role in pushing for the suspension. The source alleges that Tagure's influence within the party structures and his reported disputes in the Tungwarara contributed to the decision. The directive was copied to the ZANU-PF headquarters. Secretary General Advocate J.F.N. Mudenda and Treasurer General PANECHAMISA, signaling that the move carries the full authority of the party's top leadership. Job mashokano buda pangwa ine Tungwarara achuya pangwa ine achimiswa zvashamisa vanhu pena kumesection medu zvafungiro enyu pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like konchiti notina on the bell icon.